Now, this distinction matters, so I want to say it clearly. It isn't either or, it's sequential. Walking leads to stability, strong leads to integration. Walking stabilizes the system, it helps regulate the nervous system, it restores basic rhythm, it reintroduces movement without overwhelm. Neuroscience and rehabilitation research consistently show that before higher level adaptation can occur, strength gains, identity rebuilding, long-term behavior change, the nervous system must first experience safety, stability. In recovery, whether it's cancer treatment, injury, emotional burnout, or a long period of disruption, stability is the first requirement. Without stability, nothing else sticks. Walking helps you re-enter motion safely, rebuild trust in your body, and establish consistency without pressure. Now, this aligns with rehabilitation science showing that graded, low-threat movement restores confidence and reduces fear avoidance behaviors that often stall recovery. Walking answers the first essential recovery question, can I show up again? Strong begins once that question is answered. Strong is not about starting from zero. Strong is about integrating what walking has already restored. This sequence mirrors what behavior change science calls progressive layering, where foundational habits stabilize the system before more complex demands are introduced. That's where structured strength makes sense again. Mindset work deepens instead of just stabilizes. Recovery becomes intentional, not reactive, and identity rebuilding becomes possible. Strong helps answer a different question. Who am I becoming on the other side of this? Psychological research shows that identity-based frameworks are crucial in post-illness and post-disruption recovery. People often move from coping to rebuilding. Walking gets you back in motion. Strong helps you move forward with direction. Walking supports survival and early recovery. Strong supports rebuilding confidence and identity after disruption. They work together, but they don't start at the same place. And that sequencing matters. Because when people skip stabilization and jump straight into integration, research shows higher rates of burnout, injury, and dropout. But when walking layers that foundation, when consistency, rhythm, and trust are restored, strong becomes not overwhelming, but empowering. That's how recovery becomes sustainable. Not by doing everything at once, but by doing the right thing at the right time. And once you understand that recovery has an order, once you see where you are in that sequence, the most important work becomes simple reflection, not judgment, not pressure, just clarity.